Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Unlock a new level of productivity within GitHub effortlessly, starting today. ZenHub Injector 2025 brings powerful project management directly into your familiar interface, transforming how your team visualizes and tracks work. Imagine having all your boards, roadmaps, and reports accessible right where your code lives. This integration streamlines your workflow, making collaborations smoother and insights clearer. It truly empowers your team to achieve more, all without ever leaving GitHub. Before we dive into installation, a few quick checks will ensure a smooth process. First, verify that you are using Google Chrome or Brave and that your browser is up to date. ZenHub Injector 2025 relies on the latest browser features for optimal performance. Next, ensure you are already logged into your GitHub account. This will prevent any interruptions during setup. Finally, remember to grant any necessary browser permissions when prompted. These simple steps pave the way for a seamless integration experience. Now let's get the injector installed. It's surprisingly straightforward. Open your Chrome browser and navigate directly to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, simply type ZenHub Injector and look for the official ZenHub extension. Once you locate it, click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm the addition. Click Add Extension there, and the ZenHub Injector icon will soon appear in your browser's toolbar, signaling its successful installation. With the injector installed, it's time to see it in action within GitHub itself. Simply open any GitHub repository you manage. You'll notice ZenHub features, like boards and roadmaps, automatically appear on the page. If prompted, either connect to your existing ZenHub workspace or easily create a new one. This seamless integration means your project management tools are now layered directly onto your code, making workflows incredibly efficient. Explore the new tabs and features to begin optimizing your team's project visibility. You've successfully installed ZenHub Injector 2025 and are now ready to revolutionize your GitHub workflow. Leverage powerful features like epics, pipelines, and reporting to gain unparalleled visibility into your projects. ZenHub helps teams collaborate more effectively, breaking down silos and ensuring everyone is aligned. Remember, the official ZenHub documentation is an excellent resource for exploring advanced functionalities and staying updated. Start maximizing your team's potential today, embracing a more integrated and efficient project management experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.